I am so excited to introduce the new Heavenly Hydrating Mask from Monat. It's a lightweight gel cream mask that treats the hair with an immediate surge of hydration, making your hair more manageable and soft to the touch with our new exclusive advanced thirst-quenching hydrating ingredient, Rejuvenique S. The S stands for super because Rejuvenique S is a super activated oil. It contains olive oil and a jojoba oil complex for a power boost of intense hydration. And Rejuvenique S is exclusive to Monat. This ultra-potent yet lightweight mask is supercharged with moisture-attracting hyaluronic acid-based technology that quenches moisture-starved hair in a heavenly hydrating cloud. Ceramides help to keep the moisture locked in, and amino acids help to improve shine, strength, and manageability for hair that looks and feels healthier. The key ingredients are Rejuvenique S, Patch 2.0, and the key features and benefits are it's light and watery like a cloud. This mask provides intense hydration without weighing your hair down. It protects the hair cuticle and the exterior strand against dryness and moisture loss. And the hyaluronic acid-based technology immediately revives parched hair strands. It gives long-lasting hydration, leaving your hair feeling soft, looking healthy. Plus, this mask is ideal for all hair types, even oily hair, and it's safe for color-treated hair too. It's dermatologist tested, vegan, and cruelty-free. Here's how to use it. First, shampoo and towel dry your hair. Then apply the mask to the hair, evenly distributing it from roots to ends. Massage it into the hair and comb it through for even distribution. You want to leave it on from 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off thoroughly. For the best results, you can use it once or twice a week, depending on how often you shampoo your hair. Here's a tip. For even deeper hydration, apply the mask and cover the hair in a plastic shower cap. You can sit for 10 to 15 minutes with the cap and then rinse your hair. This mask pairs well with the double action hydrating serum. So now we have not one, but two products for dull, lifeless, thirsty hair. You can try the mask or the double action hydrating serum, or try them both. You can use them both together in a shower cap for an intensive spa treatment, or just use them alone for amazing hydrating results. You decide what your hair needs, but either way, you're gonna love them both. I'll see you next time on Beauty Insider.